My name's Dean Morgan. I work for Pineshield Health and Social Care, and I'm the Workforce Capability Manager, which means that I'm overseeing recruitment and retention across the workforce. We're looking for the right people, and we're not looking for experience. We're not looking for a particular CV. People who are patient, who are willing to help others, who want to go that extra mile to support people and make that difference to people's lives. Just having that right mindset is really what's key. There's plenty of training available. There's mandatory training that's expected of all providers and all care workers, and it's been standardised through Social Care Wales. Of course, then it's win-win. If we can train people up in a specialist area that they're really passionate and interested in, then that means that those people that are working in those areas are really, really skilled, but also, that's what they want to be doing, and they're able to kind of pass on that abundance of passion. There is the opportunity to progress professionally, personally, and really make a difference to people's lives along the way.